Yo, what's going on, YouTube, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, so we're doing a little bit something different, kind of different on my channel today. It's a reaction video, but not to a phobia. We're gonna be reacting to tree cutting fails. So I'm a tree arborist. I do the whole shebang. I climb up the tree, I remove them, I take the branches off, rig them, everything. While, you know, go in a bucket tree truck, cut the trees out. So I do this pretty much every day. So I want to see what some fails are. Do something a little different on my channel, something unique. You know, I don't see anybody, any tree arborists maybe reacting to these kind of things. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I've only been in the tree business for about 2.5 years now, so I'm not too experienced, but I have enough experience to see what's going on. Before we start the video, y'all, if you can leave a like, subscribe, comment, it helps the channel a lot. We've been growing a lot like crazy, so thank you everybody who does. I love everybody. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna be watching top tree cutting fails compilation with chainsaw dangerous skills. So go ahead and full screen it. We'll check it out. Okay, he has his pie cut, which is the way you want it to fall, and then he's doing the back cut right now. He's doing it with the axe, though. Okay, see you. Man, that's a lot of stamina you need. Oh, okay, so you got tired. He's whipping up the chainsaw. No. Oh, that's not too bad. That wasn't too bad. It didn't look like it damaged anything. Okay, this is a big tree right here. Oh, no way. Yo, are you kidding me? So the way we track trees is it's R1 through R4. R1 being the smallest trees and R4 being the biggest. That man's never gonna get a job again. Dang. Oh no. Oh no, I should drive a car. Oh wait. Ooh. Oops. That guy just says oops. Put a little louder. Oh man, no.
Well, I don't think I got that.
Yeah, she seemed pretty cool about it. I mean, these people aren't using any ropes or anything, which would be, you know, obviously better, so you can have more slack to pull or more force to pull the tree to whatever way you want it to land. They're just doing free cuts. Like, look at that. He's pushing it. It's coming back. So it'll probably hit back. You can see it leaning back a little bit. See how the tree's leaning toward the house?
Allez, Mathieu, regarde. Goliath.
Oh, this guy is so sketchy, man. Just get it. Yep. What I say? What I say? There it goes. No, they're good. Okay, well they used a rope, but they he probably had the pie cut wrong, which is that thing like I said on the right. Which probably was the case. And see, this tree looks like it's leaning back toward him too, even though he put the pie cut in the front. And the back cut isn't straight. He's going in crooked, if you can see that. Yep. Okay. It's a little damaged, but that wasn't too bad. He started the chainsaw correct. You want to keep it so it's not you're not drop starting it. He had it on the ground and he made sure it was still while he was starting it, which was the correct way to do it. Because if you drop start it, like it can cut you if it starts up. It's gonna take out the bushes, obviously. What do you can't you're not gonna be able to do anything. Ooh, the neighbors are gonna be angry with that one. Well, that one was just... Oh. Oh, they're lucky that tree saved it. It's still gonna be a pain trying to get it. This guy's still in the tree? Oh no, I don't think so. No. They're just pulling it. Oh, this is dangerous. Look at this, yo. See, they have it rigged, the roping and everything. The back cut's looking a little too high. Man, but these guys are pretty, like, doing removals with like all these cars, pedestrians, and houses into it. Like, it's good for them for even trying. Usually what we do too is we climb it and then we piece it out. You piece the tree out up until you can remove it. So it's not gonna, like, it doesn't have any potential at all to land on anything. The more you cut it down to the ground.
Here it is. Here it comes.
Yep, there it goes through the house and the lines and everything. No way, bro. I can only feel like how, like, I know they're feeling like their heart drop to their stomach as soon as the tree falls down. Okay, this is really sketchy. This is the tree propped up against the ladder propped up against a tree. My man's one-handing the chainsaw and everything. Oh, you're sketchy, bro. I mean, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess, you know? Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, he's one-handing it toward his face, too. Is he making a pie cut? What is he doing? He better not be cutting. Oh, don't tell me he's cutting all the way through that way. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, there you go. Oh, that's pretty far back though. Oh! Yo, that was wild. Okay, a lot of those things were pretty nerve-wracking for me to see. Again, like I said, I could have been wrong about some of the things I said. I'm still kind of, you know, newish. So, hey, but props to them for even trying those trees, you know, like, those are pretty tough to get down. Y'all, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment if you can, please. It helps the channel grow a lot, so I appreciate it. Hey, if you like this, you know, let me know in the comments that you want me to do more of these videos. I can do more, you know, other tree fill videos. Or leave a comment and let me know what I should react to next. But that's gonna be it for you today, y'all. Yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.